Tired of fake online degrees that waste your money and your time? You want a real, accredited program from a legitimate university, but every search seems to lead to a dead end or a scam. That changes today. I am going to show you exactly how to find and apply to accredited programs on Coursera in just a few minutes. First, I will walk you through browsing the degree catalog, so you know what is actually available. Then we will dig into the admission requirements, because each program does things a little differently. And finally, I will show you the application process itself, so you can hit submit with confidence. All right, let us start at the very beginning. Open up your browser and head over to the Coursera homepage. This is your starting point for everything. Now, look at the top of the page and click on the Explore button. This opens up the main menu of everything Coursera has to offer. From that menu, you will want to look for a section that says Earn an Online Degree. Click on that. This is your gateway to the full degree catalog, not just individual courses. And here is where the real browsing begins. You are now looking at the degree catalog overview. Take a second to scroll through this page. You will see programs from top universities all over the world. This is the list of legitimate, accredited options, so you know you are in the right place. So now you have to decide your program level. Are you looking for a bachelor's degree, which usually takes 2 to 6 years, or a master's degree, which is typically 1 to 3 years? Click on the filter or tab that matches what you need. This is an important first decision because it narrows everything down. Once you pick a level, you will notice the specialties. These degrees are heavily focused on in-demand fields like computer science, data science, artificial intelligence, and business. If you are looking for something really specific, this is where you will find it. Now, go ahead and select a specific degree program that catches your eye. Just click on the program name or the card to open its dedicated page. This is where you get all the details. And this next part is crucial. Different programs have different admission pathways. Some might ask for a bachelor's degree to apply for a master's, while others have performance-based admissions, where you can start with a few courses and prove yourself before formally enrolling. Really read through what they say here. It can save you a lot of headache later. Once you understand the pathway, you need to review the application requirements. Check what documents you need. Do they want transcripts, a resume, letters of recommendation, or a personal statement? Every program lists this clearly, so make sure you have everything ready before you move forward. When you are ready, look for the big Apply Now button on the page. Click it. Now you will fill out the application form. Provide your personal details, your educational history, and upload any documents they requested. Take your time with this. A well-filled application makes a great first impression. Finally, after you have double-checked everything, click the Submit button. And just like that, your application is in the system. You went from feeling overwhelmed and skeptical about online degrees to confidently navigating Coursera's catalog and applying to a legitimate, accredited program. This whole process, created by AI Mastery, is designed to walk you through every step so you never feel lost. Now go get that degree.